Well, this is something you don't think about until you get older. When I was a kid, there's so many really cool foods that my grandparents and family made that are now lost. And if you didn't have the recipe written down, but today you can just take your phone, record a video of them making that amazing dish, and that way, when you want to make that dish later on for you, for your family and friends down the line, you got a video. And if you're really cool, you can share that video on the internet as well. Computed and subscribe. Get those amazing recipes recorded for prosperity.